Virbo AI is a next generation app that uses artificial intelligence to create hyper realistic, customizable avatars. These avatars can talk, move, and interact just like you, or however you want them to. It's perfect for gaming, content creation, visual meetings, virtual meetings, and more. Now, let me show you how to create an AI avatar video. First, open your phone's App Store or Play Store. Search for the Virbo AI app. Download and install the app. Open it. You will be asked to allow notification. The app may ask for tracking permission to deliver more relevant content. You can allow or deny this based on your preference. You can use the app as a guest without logging in, but to unlock more features, you will need to create an account. If you already have an account, simply log in. The app displays various types of avatars. Whatever you can want, you can use it. But note that most of the features of this app is not free. To use it, you need to have a full access. There is a charge of approximately $230 per year or $29 per month. Once you are in, the app's interface lets you generate talking photos, translate videos, clone voices, use text to speech, create AI scripts. All these options you can use. For this tutorial, we will focus on creating AI videos. Click on Video Avatar, select the video format such as landscape or portrait. I'm choosing portrait here. Skip the app's guide if you are following my instructions. Choose the type of avatar you want. Paste to write your script in the provided text box. For example, I pasted my script here. Enable auto captions by clicking the CC icon. You can also use the AI script generated by typing a topic, example cricket. The app will generate a script automatically. Note that you have only 20 free items. Choose the script type. Options include prep, happy, or professional, and clip, happy, or professional. Click confirm to proceed. Customize your video. Change the template, select or upload a background, and overlay photos or videos. Choose the avatar, select voice. Whatever you want, you can use it. You can also adjust the tone or language here. You can also add stickers or music if it is desired. Once you are done, click export. Keep in mind that you will need a premium subscription to complete the export. And that's it. This is how you can use Virbo AI to create an AI generated video.